Good evening. In the last session, we discuss we were discussing about class A stage power amplifier. So in that we discussed about the example circuit diagram and its waveform and its power dissipation. So we'll continue our discussion with the same topic, class A power stage amplifier. Here we are going to discuss a power conversion efficiency of class A amplifier. So the power conversion efficiency of output stage of class A amplifier is defined as the symbol eta is equal to load power PL divided by supply power PS. It is the ratio of PL divided by PS, load power divided by load power to the supply power. So what is the load power? First we'll see here. Assuming the output voltage is sinusoid with a peak voltage V0, then average load power, the average load power, assume that V0 is the peak voltage, right? You take the RMS of V0, which is V0 divided by root 2, right? And that you square divided by RL will give you the load power, which is equal to half of V0 square by RL, right? So clearly here power means V square by R, you know that. So here the power of load we are calculating, hence V0 is output voltage, that is load voltage, which we are taking in terms of RMS here, where V0 is in terms of peak. To take in RMS you have to divide it by root 2, right? So then you will get the load power. After that you find out what is the supply power. See, supply power is the two supply involved in the circuit of the class A output stage power amplifier, which we discussed in the previous session. The two supply is VCC, another is downside we have minus VCC. So therefore 2 VCC, and the current flow through both the transistor is a I, right, which is supplying current I. So therefore the PS is equal to 2 VCC into I. The total supply power is 2 VCC into current I, right? So when you equate this, the value of PL, which is half of V square by RL here in the numerator, and in the denominator you equate 2 VCC by I. So then it will become what you can see clearly, you can see here. So if you equate this, so you will get here PL divided by 2, so PL is equal to V0 square divided by 2 RL, right? The divided by 2 VCC I will give you eta is equal to V square by 4 into I into RL by VCC. So rearranging this equation as taking V square as a V square into EV square, 1 V square divided by I into RL, another V square divided by VCC. So you can see that the peak voltage V0 is less than or it should be less than or equal to VCC, and also we can say that it should be less than or equal to IRL, that is the maximum output voltage we have. Maximum output voltage we have, whether it should be equal to VCC or it should be equal to I into RL in a negative cycle. V0 is maximum V0 should be I into RL in a negative cycle. You see seen in the transfer characteristics. And the maximum output voltage at the at the positive cycle is equal to VCC. So therefore V naught is equal to VCC equal to I into RL. So if you substitute V naught here, I into RL, here VCC, that this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled, you will get eta is equal to 1 by 4. So therefore percentage of efficiency efficiency here is equal to 0.25. Percentage of efficiency, you need to multiply 0.25 into 100, which will give you 25%. So therefore the efficiency of class A amplifier is a very less, that is only 25%. The power is dissipated, 75% of power is get dissipated. Loss you will get only 25% you will get here. So this kind of amplifier, that is class A amplifier, provide you full cycle is a one advantage, but its biggest drawback is that its efficiency is very low, right? So then you calculate the value here using this, you can easily calculate it, right? So you do this in the assignment book. So I will give here how to calculate a hint. So emitter follower of above circuit is VCC 10, I is 100 milliamp, RL is 100 ohm. If output is voltage is 8 volt peak sinusoid, that is V naught is 8 volt peak, then you need to calculate the power delivered to the load, PL you need to calculate, then the average power drawn from the supply, average power drawn from the supply, that is you need to calculate supply power PS, then you need to calculate the efficiency, right? So what you have to do, you first calculate the PL, right? PL given, V naught is given here, V naught is 8, and RL is also given. RL is what? RL is 100 ohm. In the problem you substitute here, you calculate this, okay? The second thing is you need to calculate the supply power, right? PS, which is 2 into VCC I. VCC is given, I is given, then you will get supply power 2 watt. You see VCC is 10, I is 100, 10 into 100 is 1000 milliamp, 1000 milliamp, right? 1000 milliamp is nothing but 1 amp. 1 amp you multiply with a 2, you will get a 2 watt. You see the answer is 2 watt here, right? Similarly, if you calculate efficiency here, efficiency is you substitute value of V naught here, V naught square you take, V naught squaring is 64, which is divided by 4, 64 divided by 4, you will get how much? 16, right? I is 100 milli, RL is 100, so 100 is 10,000 milli, which will be 10, and VCC is 10, 10 into 10 is 100, 16 divided by 100 is a 0.16, multiplied by 100 you will get a 16%. You can see the answer. So this you can do in your assignment book, right? So this completes the class A output stage power amplifier. We'll continue our section, continue our discussion in the next session with one more type of output stage power amplifier, that is class B power amplifier. Till then, take care, bye.